I'm so excited. Okay. I couldn't resist. You guys. Oh. I had to get more. I think I might have a problem. I went and got 2 more. I can't really justify why I got this.
2 more bags from the new Voie collection.
Double unboxing from Goyard. Cut. Jane. Hello my Goyard gang, hello my luxury lovers, hello my fashion freaks. Welcome to my channel. My name is Mayank and I am a Goyard geek, Goyard gang, Goyard guy. Welcome back to my channel. I am a fashion freak, a luxury lover, and all those good things. So if that's something you're interested in, you like to talk about fashion, clothes, shoes, unboxing, all those kind of things, handbags, jewelry, then stick around. Please consider subscribing and please smash that like button and keep on watching this video. I literally could not resist, had to get more. You guys.
I'm pretty sure I have a problem. I'm pretty sure I'm a shopaholic. I'm pretty sure I need to go to
addiction classes or therapy or something like that. But we'll deal with that later. As Cassie Thorpe says, if you guys watch Cassie Thorpe's videos, if you don't, you should watch her. She's so great. She's hilarious. She's British and she's given me a lot of courage to do this channel myself. And she's so funny and I just love her channel. It gave me a lot of inspiration and the guts to do this. And she always says, when are we going to rehab? Never. Which is literally how I feel, like fashion shopaholic. I'm a shopaholic and I'm never going to rehab for that. So I could not resist getting more of those Clairvoyant limited editions because
I'm a huge sucker, Abba.
I'm a sucker for one of a kind. I'm a sucker for limited edition. I'm a sucker for having my things. I'm a sucker for my things being as unique as possible and not being what everyone else has. So I went and got 2 more May 2022 Clairvoyant collection in collaboration with Anjou. Also because it's Anjou. And this whole year is all these Indian themed bags. I feel like I should get the Viet tote and the Anjou and maybe the Saigon. I don't know. Definitely the Taj Mahal thing. I'm going to get that on something before the end of the year. Mark my words, I will get something marked with that. The Anjou PM, maybe. I like it, but I don't love it. Also, the price point's pretty high for it, I think, in my opinion. Viet tote, we'll see. I mean, it's great, but I mean, I already got 1 white bag and 2 more. So I think I'm like whited out, but these are going to be so great for summer. I love my summer bags. Also, like one of these, one of my friends from college, Lynn, shout out to Lynn, is having her baby shower this weekend and I wanted to have a cute little summer bag. Also great for the summer. I'm like, it's just these bags are so good for the summer. So anyway, I'm going to go straight to the unboxing and we'll talk more about it. So without further ado, I got 2 more. Let's see if I can do this. 2 more bags for you. Woo! I'm crazy. I know I'm crazy, you guys. I know. It's okay. So, how are we gonna do this? Should we do a double unboxing again? Oh my god, this is the most awkward positioning.
Hello.
Double Goyard. Obviously, like I said in my previous video, they do have a limit. So I already got my 1, and they only give you 1. There's no exceptions. I'm not getting any special treatment for this. There's only a limit, 1 per customer. So that is my limit. But I have friends. I have friends in high places. I have friends in low places. I have friends who also have accounts. So, I mean, it's 1 per customer. So all I had to do was get friends to buy it. Well, I mean, like, just go in and get it, and then I paid for it. Obviously, under their accounts, so that they can be mine. We have our favorite visitor sitting in my legs. Yes, I'm wearing sweatpants. It's late. I don't know which one's which, but I got 2 more, and we're gonna open them. So let's do eeny, meeny, miny, mo. We'll go with the left one because I'm left-handed and I love starting left. Go to our ribbon. The ribbon comes undone so quickly. I went back. I was having a little bit of like a change of, like I was freaking out because I was like, did I get the right color? Do I want the other colors? What am I gonna do? Blah, blah, blah. And then I like freak out and I text her a million times and she gets really annoyed with me. No, she doesn't. I text her a million times and I'm just like, bleh. She knows how indecisive I am and I keep like always like wanting everything and always like I keep like second guessing everything I get. Should I get that too? Should I get that too? Should I get that too? And I have a long laundry list of everything that I want to get from Goyard. Like it's a long wish list. I want to get my own custom made trunk. I want to get like I want to get everything that they can offer. So I texted her, I was like, I need to know what you have left. And like literally they're like this. If you guys want these, they're almost sold out. I think there might be 1 more shipment, but then after that, I think they're gonna be done. And they don't know what's coming in that last shipment because it's been, they never know. And like, obviously the hot ones, I feel like pink has been very hot because pink sold out super quickly. You know, I feel like turquoise, which I got in my last video, which, you know, I'll link, but also probably was another one. I don't know, some people are like, that looks like a toothpaste color. That looks like this color of Scrubs. But other people are like, oh, it's so pretty, it's so pretty. The blue is also really pretty, the yellow is really pretty, orange is pretty. I just feel like yellow and orange, you know, they already do, and you can get those color bags all the time, even though this is the white version of it. And blue, same thing, it's a different blue, but anyway, we'll see what I got. So, we'll see if this is the right one or the wrong one. I don't know which one this is. I mean, I can see right now, let's see. Do I want to start with this one? I'm not gonna start with this one. Ah! Left is not the first time. We're gonna start with the right. Cut. Jane, please let me know if you know where that reference is from. Andrew, I know you know. So, I mean, obviously, this towel bag. The Clairvoyant only came in 3 sizes, so you know what I'm working with here. Let's take off that little clip-on. Okay. Yes, okay. Here we go. I wanted to get 2 more. It's the PM size if you can't tell. I'm a very big GM person, clearly. I love my big bags. My Anjou right here that's reversed. I love it this way. The leather's so soft and supple, and I should do a video about this. I will do a video about this bag because it is a great bag. And I love wearing it that way because it's just like a subtle, and it's red, so it's very, you know, it's bright, but it's like, it's just so nice. And with the Goyard on the inside, like just a little hint of Goyard, I like it. And then I decided to reverse this, my rose gold, because the rose gold is still the trim there, and it's so great because like it's still got that little bit of flair, but it's like more subtle, and it looks like, I mean, it could be just a regular tote, you know, it's not like, and then you can see it if you need to inside, but like it's just like such a, like, makes it more like casual everyday, like not trying to like draw too much attention, because the rose gold one does draw a lot of attention because it's so shiny and so, I mean, it's rose gold, I mean, it just looks, you know, just pops. So this way it's a little more subtle. Also, like, people won't know what it is, which, you know, I feel like I'm like, one day I'm gonna get mugged because I like am like way too flashy sometimes. And like this, less flashy. Now that I've said it out to the world, I mean, back to the unboxing. I'm opening this one first because I had to get this one because there was only one left, and I knew that this was gonna sell out, and I didn't know if they were gonna bring more of this one in this color and this size. I wanted to open this one first because I just had to get this one because this is one of the ones I was freaking out about, and I had to go back and get it. So I go, and I like literally, I texted her this morning and I was like, I'm coming right now. And I got there in like 10 minutes. She's like, how did you get here so fast? You never come here that fast. I was like, I need it. There's only one left. There it is. So the white handles don't give anything away because they're all white, but it is the PM size. Oh, okay. So, I'm so excited. Okay, you got the pink one, you guys. Ah! I got the pink in the PM. It's so cute. It's like a little freaking, I love it so much. It's like a little tote, it's a little pink tote. So, like, from far away, like I said in my other video, it doesn't look as, like, you know, it looks like it could just be white, but it's kind of subtle, and I kind of like it. And then up close, you can tell, and I just think it's so beautiful, and it's so great. And the pink is like this, like, pastel-y beautiful pink. There's the inside. Ah! The marking on this one is down here, and it's got some red in it and some burgundy, and I just really cool. Down here. Okay, so I had to get the pink because I was freaking out. I had to get it because I knew like that this one's the one I think that sold out the fastest, the pink. They didn't have any GMs left. And I was like, oh, you know, I normally am a GM person, but I was like, okay, this is gonna make me more of a PM person because, like, you know what, I carry too much. I carry the world with me all the time. So it's good to try and carry less and carry in a small bag and see what that's like. So we're gonna experience this together. But I wanted to get the PM, I wanted to get the pink because I knew that the pink would sell out really fast, and B, historically, pink has been, you know, they don't do it that often, and when they do, it's gone like that, and like everyone's obsessed with it. If you look at like the pinks on the resale market, they like sell for like 5 times the price. No, maybe not 5 times, but you know, they sell for a lot more. So clearly pink is a popular color, and no one is, and there aren't that many on the resale market, I don't think. So like everyone keeps their pink ones, and like seeing a pink one, I mean, I would have loved, obviously I would have loved like an all pink one. So if that ever comes out again,
I will be there and I will get it. Like that.
Watch out, Goyard.
Like, there's something nice about this, a little, like, kind of casual. So, like I said, it's not as, like, see-through as the turquoise one that I got. It's kind of, like, a little more subtle, which I kind of like. But you can tell it's Goyard, whereas the turquoise one looked a little more like a different brand. You can see the pink, you can see the Goyard, you can see the Y's very easily. And I kind of like it. And then it's got the pink inside, little Clairvoyant pink inside. It's so small, it's so cute, and I want to kind of, like, become a small bag type person. You guys. And then look at these little munchkin. Coated canvas, like I said before, it's coated canvas on both sides, so it's stiffer, it's a little more sturdy. It is reversible though, I'll reverse it so you guys can see, but like, you guys. So excited about my purchase. I'm really happy with this one. I'm so happy with this. I am so happy I got this. There might be a third order. Don't know what they're gonna get. They don't know how many they're gonna get. And like, who knows how many they're gonna allocate to which store? I mean, obviously, I feel like my store's gonna get more because that's from, you know, Beverly Hills my store. Who knows? And like, I like that it's off center. It's not like in the middle. It's not like evenly divided. It's like there. Whereas that one I think is pretty middle. right there. How cute. Okay, second unboxing. So, what do you guys think I got? What color do you think I got? What size do you think I got? Think I got the bucket? Do you think I got the another PM? The GM? What do you think I got? I can't. Okay, this is kind of an impulse because I can't really justify why I got this, but I decided to get this. And I am a very big impulse buyer, hence the shopaholic, hence the needing to go to rehab but never going kind of thing. So I'm just gonna open it and we'll go with it. I saw this one when I saw this one and I was like, oh, okay. I'm just gonna open it and we'll go from there. Okay, so all wrapped up, all nice and pretty. Okay, so obviously it's clearly another PM. There she is. Lovely. Okay, so I got this one kind of as an impulse buy. When I got this one, I just thought that they would be so cute as little brother and sister. So I got another turquoise one. I know. Problem. But I just thought it would be so cute as like little brother and sister, like little boy, little girl. I mean, they had the blue one, which I could have done, which would have been really cute. Oh my god, I could have brought this to her baby shower with both colors. Blue one and be like, oh, and then give her one. Oh, like a baby reveal. Oh my god, these would be so good for a baby reveal. No, anyway. But I just thought I had to get another one because, like, you know what? I want to be a small bag person. This also makes a really cool small bag. And, like, I just feel like it's better as a small bag because it feels much more beachy. You know, it's just so, look at the inside. I don't care what you guys say about the scrubs in the front. This is a beautiful inside.
I'm so happy.
I'm so happy. Oh my god. Okay, and also because the little thing is down here at the same kind of spot as the other one. Literally in the same spot. So like I was like, oh, I have to get it because it's in the same little spot. Whereas my GM, I think, is up here. I should have just brought that out. I don't know, what do you guys think? Okay, I'm gonna put it right here so that I can just have them both on either side and just be like, what? Okay. And like, look at the little, it's just, ah! I'm so happy. Okay. My friends. It didn't even... Okay, so here's what they both look like right next to each other. Ah! Oh, this is so cute. It feels very like cotton candy, bubble gum. Oh, like such fun colors. That's what they look like next to each other. Obviously, they're the exact same size. Exact same shape. I kind of like them this way. I mean, I do like them the white way, but like this is like a very fun, like, this is a very fun pop color tote bag, which, you know, you're not going to see a lot of. I don't know. I mean, I'm sure some of their friends have done them. Is this cerulean? No, I'm just kidding. This is called Rose, and I think this is opaline. I believe the name's Rose and Opaline, and that's what I'm going to name them. This is Rose, and this is Opaline. No. This can be Rose, and this is Opaline. I just love differences between them. Nothing really. I mean, like, so the colors of the dots are exactly the same. The Goyard Rue Saint Honore is exactly the same. So it's kind of like this light beige on top, and then a dark brown / almost black on the left, and then a medium brown, like cream brown. No, like a maybe almost even a chai brown. Lazy chai color brown on the right. What do you guys think? Which one's your favorite? Which one you like? Which you don't like? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear your thoughts on these. Oh, these guys are gonna hang out here. I think let's swap them. Get to be under your red buddy because that's the same family. You will go under the bigger version of you. Oh, I should do a side-by-side of that. I will do a side-by-side of the big and the small. I mean, they're literally exactly the same. Go right there. I mean, looky, mommy. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please smash that like button. Please consider subscribing. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. And so I appreciate you spending your time here with me. If you have any questions about these bags, about this company, anything like that, please leave them in the comments below. I answer every single comment. Thank you guys so much. If you like this video, please share with your friends and family. If you hated it, please share with your enemies and your bosses and your exes and your blah, everyone else. Thank you guys so much. I'm going to Goyard heaven. Bye!